Life in the deep sea is difficult. So many fishes they have special adaptations to improve their ability to feed and to mate. Deep sea anglerfish may not regularly encounter suitable prey, so they have very large mouths and stomachs and long pointy teeth in order to facilitate capturing and swallowing anything that they find. They also have a lure, like all anglerfishes, that they use to attract prey. The deep sea anglerfish's lure is filled with bacteria that make their own light. Using a muscular skin flap, a deep sea anglerfish can either hide or reveal its lighted lure. By pulsing the light and moving the lure back and forth, they successfully attract pelagic crustaceans, fishes, and other prey. The lure is also used to attract a mate. The only individuals that fit the above description are females. Females are the large, ambush predators. Females have the lighted lures. Males are very small, 1 inch or 3 centimeters, and are not predatory. Once they hatch, they spend all of their energy searching for mates, biting onto larger females, and fertilizing their eggs. In many anglerfishes, the male becomes parasitic and never releases from his mate again, feeding from her blood and becoming little more than a sperm factory. When a young, free-swimming male angler encounters a female, he latches onto her with his sharp teeth. Over time, the male physically fuses with the female, connecting to her skin and bloodstream and losing his eyes and all his internal organs except the testes. A female will carry 6 or more males on her body. Deep sea anglerfish are not eaten by people, and there is no evidence to suggest that people have any negative effects on their populations. They are likely naturally rare, however, and any changes to the deep sea environment could threaten these interesting species. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed our videos, subscribe to our channel for there's more to come.